Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Rally Sport in Mulsanne blue. A great looking car that sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $47,000. And this one was, according to the seller's info, you're looking at one of the nicest Camaro Z28s with 45,000 original miles, full rotisserie restoration, stunning high quality paint, factory rally wheels and disc brakes. Exhaust consist of ceramic coated chrome pipes on both sides. Original floors and sheet metal. Bucket seats are original and in perfect condition. Front split bumper and rear bumper are new. Big block matching number 350 CI 360 horse LT1 solid lifter V8 with the original turbo 400. It's actually a small block. And a 12-bolt posi traction rear end. And then on his other sign, he had 1970 Camaro Z28 Rally Sport, restored to original factory specs. This 1970 Camaro was ordered with regular production option code Z28, which included the special performance LT1 350 engine. The GM official production date was May 5th, 1970, and originally sold on May 21st, 1970, by Rapid Chevrolet Company in Rapid City, South Dakota. It spent its entire life in Deadwood, South Dakota area until 2010, when it was sold by the fourth owner immediately following a complete frame-off rotisserie restoration. Documents include the NCRS shipping data report, a copy of the original MSO, copies of the titles from the four previous owners, and all receipts for the restoration. The odometer shows 45,000 miles and is believed to be actual based on odometer readings documented on the titles before the car was age exempt. And then trim codes 2626, the paint codes Mulsanne blue paint, and then the interior code 712, black comfort vinyl interior, then RPO Z28 special performance group. It has a 410 posi axle, and then the RPO Z22 Rally Sport package. In 1970, Chevy only made 8,733 Z28s, and that was out of 124,901 Camaros. And that 1970 was a short year because of the strike and tooling problems, and they only actually started producing them in February of 20 is when they finally got to the dealerships of 1970. So they only had about a half year. That's why sometimes they refer to it as a 70 and a half, but it's actually a 70. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 with the Rally Sport option in Mulsanne blue that was rotisserie restored, 45,000 original miles with four owners, sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $47,000. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.